See, I've realized that the hardest part of trading is not really knowing how to take trades or learning a strategy. You see, guys, the hardest part of trading is the psychological requirements of trading. That's the hardest part to learn. That's the aspect of trading you cannot learn and master in a month. You cannot learn and master it even in 6 months. See, most of your mentors or whoever you see as someone you look up to in the trading space, most of them might not be honest enough to tell you, but that's just the truth. You see, the emotional demands of trading is something that you would keep on battling and improving as you trade. The more you trade, the more you get that exposure with the market, the more you work on how you react to what the market does to your trading, the more you get better. This is one truth that most Forex mentors don't tell their students, and I feel so bad about it. Like, personally, for me, I wasn't really opportune to be exposed to good mentorship when I started. So I practically got my experience from the market directly. I don't know if you're getting the point I'm trying to make. So that's why I always push on this channel that the hardest part of trading is not you learning a strategy. That's not it. The hardest part is the psychological demands of trading. And why am I starting this video this way? So I took 3 trades this week. My first 2 trades hit SL, and my third trade, which I took yesterday, which is Friday. Today is Saturday. I'm actually doing this video on a Saturday. So my last trade I took on Friday. I'm gonna be holding that trade till Monday. Okay, I'm gonna be swing trading it because the trade is still very much active. So my first trade for the week, I started trading on Tuesday. So Tuesday, my first trade hit SL, second trade hit SL, and my third trade for the week was yesterday, and it's still very much active. Everything is documented right here on this channel. Immediately I'm done with this short talk, the next slide you'll be seeing is everything I did on trading view platform. All of my trades, everything was documented. Now, why did I start with the emotional side of trading? See, one of the ways to know if you're actually improving as an FX trader, one major test to know if you're really improving is not how much you're taking trades and you're making good wins. That's not the major test, because whoever is actually succeeding in something has little pressure to his emotional psychology, little or no pressure, as a matter of fact. So where pressure comes on your psychology, emotionally and otherwise, is when you start making losses. I don't know if you're getting the point. What do you do? How do you react to the market when you make losses? That is one aspect of my own trading personally for me that I'm actually working on, because I've realized that you see this over trading, blowing off account thing, they are all as a result of how we react to losses. See, as much as you work on having a good strategy, knowing how to trade, risk management and all of that, bro, I think the larger part of the area where you really need to work on excuse me, the larger aspect of trading that you really need to work on is how you react to losses. So when I took the first trade and ETSL, second trade ETSL, bro, I won't lie, guys, the urge to want to go and trade came, it came up, but I had to force myself to be disciplined. You see, this trading thing, because it involves money, if you don't force yourself to do some certain things or more, you will realize that you can't even trade an account for 1 month. You'll be the type of trader that trades and funds your account every week. You fund account this week, before the week runs out, you don't blow everything, you don't blow the account, the next week you fund again. You don't want to be that kind of trader. The Forex trading market is a long-term investment platform. This is one mindset you must keep, and for you to survive the long-term game, you have to learn capital preservation. So I think that's one thing I'm currently working on, and I think I'm actually doing well, because when I took those losses, I did not succumb to that urge to want to revenge trade or want to force trades. Of course, I was not saying my setup. and that is the reason why I did not take any trade till yesterday, which is Friday, when I now saw my setup form and I took it, and I'm going to show you guys, like as I said earlier. So personally for me, take home for last week is be disciplined. Be disciplined. See, and discipline is everything, especially when it's not really going well with you. That is when you have to be at your best frame of mind to be able to survive the market. Otherwise, you keep on blowing accounts. Let's go straight to the video. Let me show you guys what I did this week. So do want to watch this video from beginning to the end. My name is Michael. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel and you sort of like content like this, do want to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. So see you in the next slide. Okay guys, so today is Tuesday, and as you can see, I'm selling US30 from the 1 hour time frame. So trade is active in my MT5, and I just thought to show you guys. So this is a 1:2.79 RR setup. So let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. There's every possibility that I'm gonna hold this trade till tomorrow. Okay, so there's every possibility that I'll most likely swing this. That is if it does not hit my SL before tomorrow. Okay, so but this is my first trade for the month of April and my first trade for this week. So let's see how it plays out, guys. Ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end as I document my journey trading in our account. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. Currently, as you can see, we are kind of a little bit in drawdown. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, so update on the trade. As you can see, so trade just smashed SL, but it actually gave us a 1R trade. It actually gave us a 1R on this trade before reversing. Can you see that price actually tapped me in and dropped down to this level before going back, and it took us out on SL. So this is the update of the trade. As you can see, the market opened again with a gap, and it is what it is, guys. So this is our first SL for the week and for the month. If I see another very good setup, I will definitely let you guys know. So for now, we just took an L. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so this will be my second and final trade for today. Okay, so I'm still entering the sell. Okay, so I just entered the sell trade. As you can see, this is a 1:4.22 RR. So let's see how it plays out. This will be my final trade for today. If it doesn't take us out on SL, then possibly, like as I said earlier, I'm going to swing trade this particular setup also. So let's see how it plays out. If we look at this setup from the 2 hours time frame, you see clearly the reason why I'm actually taking this sell. Okay, can you see? Now this is it, guys. Let me show you guys. So as you can see right here, we had break of structure to the downside. This area here is liquidity. Okay, so liquidity has been taken right here, and price has tapped into this other block and fair value gap. So I expect price to crash down at least to this level, then before either going up or breaking down to the downside. So let's see how it plays out. I actually did not wait for confirmation on this trade. I entered aggressively. Okay, so let's just see how it plays out. I would update you guys. It's quite risky though, because I was supposed to wait for confirmation, but I just have to take this trade because it's already late. This is 11:35 p.m. West African time, so I just have to use aggressive entry on this particular setup, and let's see how it goes. So guys, I would update you guys. Like as I said, the trade is active. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, so update on the trade, guys. As you can see, trader just hit my SL. In fact, this is one of my
This is one of the fastest trades that I've taken that went straight to SL, and it is what it is. I just thought to show you guys. So I think that will be all for today. Um, I'll come back again tomorrow and let's see what the market would give us. So that's all for today, guys. Two SL hits for today and beginning of the month. So I'm gonna see you guys later. If I see possible good setups tomorrow, being Wednesday, I'll let you guys know. Good night, guys. Okay, guys. So today is Friday, and this is my first trade for the day. Okay, so I'm actually buying US30. This is 5:41 p.m. West African time. Okay, so I'm buying US30 from the 1 hour time frame. This is an aggressive entry trade. Okay, and this is a 1:2 RR trade. Okay, so let's see how it plays out. Remember, on Tuesday we started our trading for the week. We had two SL trades, and this is our third trade for the week and possibly our final trade for the week. Okay, so let's see how this trade plays out. If this trade goes to TP, then definitely we must have reduced our SL for the week. We might not have been able to break even, but at least it will help us to reduce the SL for the week. So let's see how it plays out. The trade is currently active on my MT5, and let's just see how it goes. I'll definitely update you guys as usual. Ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Let me just show you guys from the 4 hours time frame what the market is doing. So as you can see from the 4 hours time frame, um, obviously you can see here that market has changed structure from the bearish moves taking out lower lows to taking out this neckline and change direction to the upside. So this is currently a bullish structure market, as you can see right here. That's basically the reason why I'm taking this trade. So what I did was to go to my excuse me guys so what I did was to go to my 1 hour time frame, which is my entry time frame, to watch out for a break of structure and a retest to other block and fair value gap, which obviously was what happened here. So we had a break of structure to the upside, and we had this fair value gap in confluence with our other block right here, and this is the reason why I'm taking this buying setup. So let's see how it plays out. Like as I said earlier, I would update you guys. If this trade does not go to TP straight up before today runs out, we might possibly hold it, swing trade it till next week. But if it takes us out on SL, then of course it's gonna be three SL trades for this week. So, but we don't put it ends like that. But however, the market can choose to do what it wants to do. So let's see how this particular trade goes. I will update you guys as usual. Okay, guys. So this is the update of the trade we took some few hours ago. So the trade is actually most likely going into a predicted direction. But as you can see, the market has closed for today. Okay, so I'm gonna be swing trading this particular setup till Monday again. Okay, so for now it is what it is. I just thought to update you guys. So we really don't know if it will go straight to TP or hit us out on SL. So let's just see how next week plays out. I'll definitely update you guys. I just thought to show you guys the updates of the trade so you can see what the setup actually looks like. But with what I'm seeing, um I'm positive about this trade that it's gonna go to TP when market resumes from next week Monday. Okay, so that's the update for the trade. So I wouldn't count this as a closed trade. Okay, so I will still record it to be that I had two trades for this week, and both of them hit SL. This is my third trade for the week actually, and it's still active. We're gonna see the result by Monday. So I just thought to update you guys. Thank you very much for watching the video from beginning to the end. See you guys on Monday.